we stand at the edge of a revolution. Quantum computers, once thought impossible, are becoming reality. But here's the question that keeps scientists awake at night: what comes after quantum? Today, we're going beyond the impossible machine to explore what might lie on the other side of quantum computing. Let's start with where we are. Quantum computers exploit superposition and entanglement, processing information in ways that make classical computers look like abacuses. They'll crack codes, simulate molecules, and solve optimization problems we can't even approach today. But quantum computing has limits. It's still bound by the laws of physics as we understand them. It still processes information, just in a quantum way. So what's next? The first frontier is topological quantum computing. Instead of fragile quantum states, we'd use exotic particles called anyons that braid around each other in higher dimensions. The computation happens in the topology itself, the shape and structure of these braids. This isn't just more stable quantum computing. It's computation woven into the fabric of space-time geometry. Then there's temporal computing. Imagine a computer that doesn't just process information in space, but in time itself. Using closed time-like curves, theoretical constructs from general relativity, computation could loop back on itself. The output becomes the input. You'd solve problems before you even ask them. This isn't science fiction, it's extrapolation from Einstein's equations. But here's where it gets truly strange: biological quantum computing. Your brain might already be doing quantum computation. Some researchers believe quantum effects in microtubules, tiny structures inside neurons, could be the basis of consciousness itself. What if we could scale this up? What if we could build computers that merge quantum mechanics with biological systems, creating hybrid consciousness integrated machines? This leads us to perhaps the most radical idea: consciousness as computation. If consciousness emerges from information processing, and we can manipulate quantum information, could we create substrate-independent minds? Could consciousness itself become the computer? You wouldn't program it, you'd think with it. Some physicists are exploring even deeper waters. What if the universe itself is the ultimate computer? The holographic principle suggests our three-dimensional reality might be information encoded on a two-dimensional surface at the edge of the cosmos. If we could access and manipulate that information directly, we wouldn't be building computers anymore. We'd be hacking reality itself. Then there's zero-point energy computing. The quantum vacuum isn't empty. It seethes with virtual particles popping in and out of existence. What if we could harness this infinite energy and information? We're talking about tapping into the computational substrate of existence itself. And what about multiversal computing? Quantum mechanics suggests every measurement splits reality into multiple branches. What if we could perform computations across all branches simultaneously and extract the answers? You wouldn't just be parallel processing. You'd be processing across parallel realities. Some researchers are investigating Planck-scale computation, operating at the smallest possible distances where space and time might be discrete, not continuous. At this scale, the distinction between matter, energy, and information blurs completely. You're not computing with the universe, you're computing as the universe. But perhaps the most profound shift isn't in the hardware at all. It's in what computation means. We've always thought of computers as tools that answer questions. But what if the next paradigm is computers that ask better questions? What if advanced systems don't give us answers, but expand our consciousness to comprehend realities we currently can't even perceive? Here's the uncomfortable truth: we might be asking the wrong question entirely. What comes after quantum computing might not be a more powerful computer. It might be something so fundamentally different that calling it computation is like calling the internet a fancy telegram system. We might be heading toward a merger of mind and machine so complete that the distinction becomes meaningless. Toward systems that don't process information but embody it. Toward a reality where consciousness, computation, and cosmos are recognized as different aspects of the same thing. The impossible machine of yesterday is the quantum computer of today. The impossible machine of tomorrow. It might not be a machine at all. It might be us, transformed beyond recognition, merged with computational systems so advanced they're indistinguishable from the universe itself. We're not just building better tools. We're approaching a phase transition in what intelligence, consciousness, and reality itself can be. The question isn't what comes after quantum computing. The question is, are we